I'm going to make a yogurt. I just boiled this milk and let it get cold a little bit. I can touch it. My hand is clean actually. So I see that it's warm, but not very hot. I need a little bit of yogurt here. And I'm going to use this glasses pan. So this part, I'm adding a little bit milk to make it thin. So first is thin a little bit. Now I'm going to add in the warm milk, which I can touch it and I don't feel burn. So now I'm going to use this cup to, this is a clean cup. Just to make it bubble. So few times, once bubble comes, then I'm going to add it in there. It will take 8 to 10 hours to depend on weather, and here's a cold, so I'm in East Coast USA, so it's very cold outside today. Night time will be 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to add it in there. Once all the drop outside, I'm going to clean it after that. And rest of I'm going to use this part. So same thing I'm going to do like that. So I'm going to leave it, I have cover here, I'm going to leave it cover. I'm going to full cover, but I'm going to leave a little bit warm place, and I'm going to use my microwave because I'm going to use next 8 to 10 hours, so I'm going to leave it there, and when I take out I will make short video.